We are all friends! And pruning her as all still love not the bad guy!
Fluttershy said,
Only villain is you!
pointed Twinkleberry.
Twist her bells and love to you foul ends!
The goddess laughed snark-snippily, with no insect remorse.
Oh, house cut. Delude yourselves if want. It has end for you either ways. I was wont just to give taste like with bakes of what awaits. The end cakes are upon indeed.
And Twinkleberry lick goddess point lips with sporked tongue, and deep yellow cross-sectioned also magenta eyes flicker. Not trademarker.
Figured it you out, 10. All of those cases of peasants vanish, and add parts idented in backed products over centuries that ne'er mentioned in story. Yes, me! Wretches that you are! So many ponies lose fat and live in belts. And thus I am dar poor off angst to mortalize book, which idiots read and belve. Pinkie Pie is just the latest, but has also served best out of all ever, and was so close to completing objective.
But Rarity was have none of this.
What objective? What I think?
She snickled to come back.
Just 5 more cacks required. And what coin dance? For what are seeing before me? Well, 6.
Spike had joined off screen.
But yes, numbers next. Final numbers I had give to Pinkie Pie were all yours. Have figured out at last. You are the end cakes.
After commercial breaker, Twinkleberry resumed.
Oh wait, movie does not have that!
The end cakes are you! After I finish what she start and devour you 5 ponies, I shall pose his power to conquer all one verse!